Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Ronde puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Ronde puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Venge and Garapa. Venge has this dark color and Garapa has this yellow color. Difficulty level of the Ronde puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to arrange all 5 parts in such a way that you make 5 whole yellow or Garapa cubes. As you can see now we have 5 parts and each part has the whole Venge or dark color cube and no whole yellow or Garapa cubes. And you have to figure out the way how to assemble them in a correct way to make 5 cubes like this one. And as you can see, if we put 2 parts together, then we add another one. We have already 2 yellow cubes. Then we can probably put another one on top. That will be 3 yellow cubes. Then maybe you can fit this piece here. That's going to be like 4 yellow cubes. But then we have 2 half cubes left, and that is not the solution since it is not the whole cube. We created only 4 whole cubes. So you have to find another way how to assemble the puzzle. And it will be quite a challenging puzzle to solve. If you like the Ronde puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve it. So the solution is quite interesting. First, I'll put this piece, then I grab this piece and add it right here. The next part that I'm gonna put here will be this piece. It goes on top of the bottom piece, and we have already 2 yellow cubes assembled. Now we have 2 parts left. One part will go right here, and we have 1, 2, 3 yellow cubes, and we have only 2 left. If I put this piece right here on top, we will create cube number 4 and cube number 5 here on the bottom. And that is the solution of the puzzle. If you enjoyed solving the Ronde puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.